Welcome to Joe's Run Reviews. I'm Joe, and today I'm out for a ride in my Can-Am RT Limited, and I'm going to show you a few more accessories. Now, I did do a video last year on some of the accessories, but I see that I've missed a couple that I've got on the bike, so maybe it's something that you might want to have a look at. So I'm going to go through some accessories that I didn't include in my last video. So stay tuned, folks. Here it comes. Thank you again for joining me here, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. Today we're going to be doing a walk around my Can-Am RT Limited Spyder. It runs with a Rotex 1330 Ace liquid-cooled inline 3-cylinder engine with electronic throttle control. It comes with 115 horsepower. It's rated at 97 pounds of foot torque with electronic fuel injection and a 6-speed transmission. So Can-Am did a bit of a redesign of the 2020. Now they've actually made it a little bit bigger. They've extended the footboard so you've got more comfort and movement. They extended the seat space for the driver and the passenger. They added some extra storage space over the previous model years. Can-Am also added more accessory and customization options with the new dash, switches, and button locations, which really did improve the rider interface. They split the seat to make fueling up a little bit easier, also include the redesigned bodywork. They changed the shape of the body, they've added LED lights, and all in all, it's just more of a comfortable riding experience. You'll get to see all the accessories that I added and all the different things that I've changed just to make this Can-Am Spyder my own. One accessory you'll see right away is this gel seat. I just like to have extra padding under me, so putting this on actually really makes a big difference. I just like to have that cushion when I'm riding. I also added the motorcycle handlebar counterweights. I'm not sure if they make a big difference, but I thought I'd try them anyway. I also added a magnetic cell phone holder and 2 handlebar cup holders. I've added these radiator covers, which I really like. It really soups up the bike. It really makes the bike look really cool. It just gives it a bit of a different look. It covers up the radiator and it still allows a lot of air to come through. So there's no restrictions and they look really cool. In the very front here, I purchased this light off Amazon. It's just a 9-inch light that fits in there perfectly. And there's wires in behind this light so you can actually wire it really easily. And they do work with the LED lights that are on the fenders. As I come around the side of the RT, now I'm going to say the second best upgrade that I did was the close reach handlebars, and I love them because I definitely don't have any neck pain, I don't get any shoulder pain, headaches. I have heard of people complaining that the handlebars are just a little bit too far, but I really like the way these are set up. They're nice and close, I can relax, I can lean back, I can put my feet up on the highway pegs, and I'm super comfortable. I think they're an awesome upgrade. They were fairly inexpensive upgrade and they're fantastic. So I would highly recommend them as well. If you're getting some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. At the bottom of the handlebar, I added these bicycle cup holders. Now I got these from the dollar store. I think I paid like $2 or $3 for them. I did have to change them around. There's a little screw here at the end that I removed and I turned them around and put the screw back in. Super easy. They clamp on really well. They stay on, and I'll show you how these cup holders look when I'm sitting on the bike. You can move them and put them in different spots. Now coming to the side of the RT, now look at my brake pad here. I did add the bigger brake pad. The pad that comes with the original RT is actually quite small. So I changed it and put on the bigger one here, which I really love. The first and the best accessory that I added were these highway pegs. These are the Spyder Extra Can-Am RT adjustable highway pegs. I purchased them from slingmods.com. They're about $180 US and they're worth every penny. When I started riding the Can-Am, I really needed something to lock my legs in place. After some research, I found these adjustable highway pegs from Slingmods, and I knew right away that this is what I was looking for. I was able to lock my legs straight and I was able to support myself when I was going around corners. I didn't feel like I was going to slide off or move off the bike at all, and I find myself using them every time I ride. I felt that the Can-Am was a little soft in the front, so I replaced the front shocks with the Stage 2 Elka shocks, which are calibrated and adjusted before you actually even get them. They ask you what your riding style is like, what are your roads like, do you have a passenger, what's the weight of both you and your passenger. They're adjusted at the factory before they're delivered to you. As I was doing more research, I thought, well, I might as well replace the sway bar, thinking changing the sway bar will stabilize my ride even more. So I purchased and installed the Baharon sway bar, which made a huge difference in combination with the Elka shocks. Now on the back of the RT, on the back trunk, I did add this cargo rack, which is fantastic. You can definitely put different bags on here and you can strap them down, and it just gives you that extra storage if you need. Now a couple more things that I want to talk about. This is the normal Can-Am backrest, and I got them to install it for me when I purchased the bike, and I really like it. It definitely works really well. I've been using it for a couple years now and it's fantastic. I would highly recommend it. For the second seat, I added the passenger armrests. They're actually pretty comfortable. They're not really adjustable, but this one on the left side, or the driver's side, let's call it, can move out. It's just a matter of pushing down on here, and then this can move out. It's better to do it with two hands, but if you push down this lever right here, it releases it and you can move it inwards. So it does work really well. So I really like the fact that these armrests are in place. It kind of gives you a bit of security that your passenger is not going to fall off sideways. So definitely a great accessory as well. So in closing, I have to say I absolutely love the Can-Am RT Limited. It is super comfortable, and if you feel like you need to transition from two-wheel to three-wheel, don't overlook the Can-Am RT Limited, because this might be the bike for you. So I'm really happy with my RT. I think it's a fantastic machine. I really love it. I got the first oil change done last year, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing all the oil changes now going forward. It's not a difficult process. I've seen a couple of YouTube videos on how to change the oil in the RT, and my wife has a Can-Am Ryker that I'll be changing the oil on that as well. Is the RT something that you would consider purchasing? Do you have an RT Limited? And what do you think of it? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to see the RT Limited with all the accessories and the review that I did last year, you can click on this link right here. Thank you again for joining me today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you have any comments about this RT Limited, have you ever driven one? Let me know about your experience. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.